Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to draw a bird with number 3. Now you can draw 3, then from top and bottom draw a line and draw the feather of the bird. You can give the feather effects and eyes and beak of the bird. Now I'm drawing the stem with the leaves. Now I'm coloring the bird with red color. Then stem and leaves with brown and green color. I'm coloring the beak with yellow color, and I have given orange color on top of the body so it gives a better look. Thanks for watching, friends.